At Linamar Corporation, we are an advanced manufacturing company utilizing the synergy of leading-edge technology and crafting expertise to create solutions that power vehicles, generate motion, provide work, and change lives for the future. Our OROS Division is one of the facilities in Hungary that designs, manufactures, and builds complete machines for the agricultural and construction industries. Our warehouses provide advanced inventory management and scalable storage options. We ensure consistent quality and minimal waste at our cutting shop through high-precision cutting and bending services to meet exact specifications. Our CNC shop allows for the precise and automated machining of parts so that we can deliver high-quality products. ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certifications support our highest levels of production, from robotic welding to 3D powder painting. We prime metal parts in our KTL or powder painting line, then finish them with the most modern 3D powder painting technology available to achieve the best surface and corrosion protection possible. Our production quality control ensures that every part meets rigorous standards through comprehensive inspections and testing, guaranteeing reliability and performance. As part of the industrial segment and Linamar's agriculture portfolio, the OROS Division of Linamar Hungary develops and produces agricultural machines, industrial machines, components, and subassemblies. Linamar Hungary boasts more than 50 years of experience in harvest header manufacturing. We strive to offer the most competitive products and services to customers. Our research and development department is continuously adapting to market trends and customer expectations. With the power to perform, we are able to meet and exceed customer needs.